Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. SHAMAN 8x8 AVTOROS. The SHAMAN 8x8 AVTOROS is an amphibious ATV designed for adventure seekers who are always on the go. It measures about 6.3 meters in length and a width of 2.5 meters. The SHAMAN is well known for its ability to cross all manner of terrain, tackling large swamps and the icy tundra with equal ease. It is available in two general modifications, the Tourist and the Hunter. The difference between the two being that the Tourist has individual adjustable seats with 3-point belts, 146 horsepower, and 6-speed transmission, with 2-speed transfer gearbox. The SHAMAN offers good fuel efficiency, and it has been demonstrated to burn about 25 liters of fuel every 100 kilometers, with a tank storage of 260 liters. You can cruise with the SHAMAN at speeds of 44 miles an hour and swim at 4.3 miles per hour, giving you optimum speed in any media. Buy the SHAMAN at prices starting from $210,000 and travel in style with up to 12 people. BHP Billitron iron ore train. In 2001, BHP had one of the most successful years in their history. This success was driven by the company breaking world records in rail operations, including setting a record for the longest and heaviest train, which came in at an amazing 7.353 kilometers long with 682 cars, weighing a total of 99,732.1 tons, and carrying 82,262.5 wet metric tons of iron ore over a 275-kilometer segment of the journey, from Newman to Port Hedland, Australia, under the control of a single driver. This 4.5-mile-long train was powered by 8 AC 6,000 horsepower locomotives and made the entire journey in 5 hours and 24 minutes, a stunning demonstration of BHP's amazing product design and efficiency. IXION Windowless Jet. The IXION Windowless Jet was designed by a French company with a focus on innovation and luxury. It features a fascinating virtually transparent interior crafted with the use of wall screens that allow full observation of the environment outside the plane, making you feel like you're riding in Wonder Woman's invisible jet. This design works with the use of external cameras that capture a real-time 360-degree panoramic image. The image is then projected inside the plane with constant adjustments made to perspective and rider eye position, in order to give an almost seamless impression of flight. Although this plane hasn't hit the market yet, we can anticipate that it'll make a massive impact when it will come. AerosCraft. AerosCraft is manufactured by Californian airline company Worldwide Aeros Corporation to be the ideal hybrid of an aircraft and airship. The end result of this vision is a 79-meter-high rigid ship made with a unique combination of an aluminum and carbon fiber body. This craft has been reported to be able to carry up to 500 tons of cargo, and it has been touted to be the global solution for the mass transport in the next 100 years. It works through the use of a compressed helium tank valve, which opens and helium pushes air out to make the AerosCraft fly, while landing is accomplished with the replacement of helium with outside air. The AerosCraft is divided into multiple chambers, with 3 turbines to provide boost and 6 turbo propellers that keep its stability. Maverick Flying Car. The Maverick is an awesome blend between a buggy and a paraglider with certificate of airworthiness. It weighs in at a remarkable 1,100 pounds, with a carrying capacity of 550 pounds of cargo. It was designed by iTech to be the ultimate all-terrain vehicle, and it has some awesome specifications, including 140 horsepower, the ability to go from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, and has a top speed of 90 miles per hour. It has a unique gas-driven system, as well as a navigational system that makes it ideal for crossing uncharted areas. The Maverick has proven itself to be indispensable for rescue and ambulance services, especially in first areas, and you can buy it at prices starting from $90,000. BURLAK. The BURLAK is an amphibious 6-wheel vehicle named for the Tatar word budyak, meaning homeless. This study vehicle was based on an armored personnel carrier and designed by creator Alexei Makarov to be a unique take on the concept of a terrain vehicle. The BURLAK has been described as being able to cross a variety of terrain and stay afloat even when weighed down with passengers and up to 2 tons of cargo. It measures an amazing 7.5 meters long, with a height of 3.5 meters and width of 2.8 meters, and its tires have been demonstrated to reach as high as 2.7 meters. Its durable bodywork is made from aluminum, and the whole device is powered by a 150 horsepower Cummins ISF engine. Double Ender. The Double Ender is a strange new hybrid aircraft designed to be a blend between a helicopter and a plane. It was designed and manufactured by Bush Plane Design in 2010, and it looks like a fully equipped tandem, with 2 engines mounted on top of the fuselage to gain certain aerodynamics and achieve top speeds. This ensures an affordable design, while providing the quality and ability to achieve top speeds of up to 174 kilometers per hour. The Double Ender boasts of unparalleled smoothness in its takeoff and landing, as well as its unusual durability. This exciting machine is perfect for flying medium-range distances. ASG-32MI. The ASG-32MI is an innovative 2-seater glider plane designed by German aeronautics company Alexander Schleicher. It was designed to be lightweight and efficient, and had its maiden flight in Pappenhausen on 31 May 2014, where it demonstrated its flight capabilities. It boasts of a very simple and streamlined design without sacrificing strength and comfort. It weighs a total of 545 kilograms, and its 2-seater capacity can handle a maximum weight of 120 kilos. It can reach a stunning 180 kilometers per hour and is absolutely perfect for short-distance flights. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most amazing vehicles from all over the world. Which of these machines did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.